This is a 2-pack of LED lights by Brilliant Evolution. And what's really nice about these is they come with a remote control as well. And all you need to do is put 3 AA batteries in each one, and it works like a charm. And this is perfect for under-counter lighting, as well as in display cases or in the closet too, because they also include double-sided sticky tape, as well as screws if you want to screw it in yourself. And this is so awesome because the remote, you can just turn it on just like that, or you can turn it off just like that. Now, if you turn it on and you decide you only want half of the brightness, you just push the 50% on. Perfect. Sometimes you just want just half the brightness and have it be a little romantic and just have some ambient light. And if you want 100%, you can turn it on 100% or somewhere in the middle because it has a dimming feature. And just like that, you can dim it to almost off. Awesome. These actually have 55 lumens of light and 100 hours of runtime at 100% brightness. Isn't that beautiful? And I absolutely love this. And let me show you how it also has a timer feature. Say you want to only have it on for 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, or 120 minutes, you just press the corresponding button. And then it's going to flash indicating that it understood your command. Just like that. And in 60 minutes, it's going to turn off automatically. Perfect. Very efficient and cost-effective too. Look how nice these are. And here's the close-up of the light. As you see, it has 3 lights in, and it also is ultra slim at only 1.5 inches in height. Also, if you don't want to use the remote, you can just tap it on and tap it off. Perfect. I was sent this from Brilliant Evolution, and I absolutely love it. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.